Hey guys, so today I'm working on the Impala again. I've actually been daily driving this for about the last month or so, and everything's been going pretty good. The only way I would have been able to get it on the road yet this year was if I wasn't videotaping everything, so that's where I'm at. But going through a few small things today, like interior lights. Just fixed a headlight. That's kind of a pain, but I don't know if you can tell, but this guy is a lot shinier. But anyways, doing some interior lights, thought I'd bring you along with, then I'm gonna get into some more fun stuff. Okay, so here's what I got. I don't know if you can see very well, but these are a couple of light bezels, and they go, the reason I'm replacing them, there's one on each side, they go on the sail panels. This is the old panel. I can just destroy that just like that. But you can see right there, same thing on the other side. I'm missing both of the covers, both of the lights, so I ordered a couple of lights off of Rock Auto. It's tough to beat Rock Auto, honestly, because these lights are 24 cents a piece or something like that. So, you know, I don't feel bad if I get the wrong one. Well, I'll spend another 50 cents and try again. But yeah, just gonna try popping them in. Hopefully it works. If not, I'll figure it out and bring it along with. Okay, so here is the cover of what it looks like. Just gonna pop it right in there, but first I'm gonna put the light on. In case you're wondering, here's the part number for that. Here's the bulb I'm gonna use. This is a 90. Just 90. Bulbs they're pretty easy. So 90, but yeah, just pop her in, and I'm gonna have to use my other hand because this hand's my dumb hand, but we'll maybe. Just like that. All right, let's see if these guys work. By the way, if you ever sat in the back seat of one of these cars, it is comfy. Open door. Nope. Let's try turning the knob. Nope. Okay, missing something. Let's figure it out. All right, so take a look in there and you see these two little plugs. One's positive, one's negative. I measure between the two. 0. Yep, that's, I don't even have to put them on there. I already did, and it's 0. But maybe I can one-hand this. Ooh, I don't know if you saw that, but there was sparkage, which means power. Hmm. I might not have a fuse anymore. Anyways, my point is, oh, nope, that's the resistance. Come on, learn how to do this. I have 12 volts. So I have power, I don't have ground. So, I mean, something's okay. I do have the switch on right now, so I'm gonna turn the switch off, make sure I don't still have power there, in case they're just switching ground on and off. But if I lose power when I turn the switch off, I could probably just take this wire and just connect it to any old spot for ground, and I'll bet I have lights. So I was sitting there thinking to myself, like, wow, I feel like I've tried to work on this before. Turns out I had. Checked my old part supply, and I'd already bought a new headlight switch. Yeah, I just hadn't put it on. So here we go. This is what I figured out. Reason why I don't have a ground. This white wire right here. That's the ground coming out of the headlight switch, which connects to this right here. So if you look at this as it turns, you are actively grounding or giving the circuit a ground. So that's how the lights actually get their ground, is through this frame right here. So if this is broken, or if it touches and there's just, you know, not a good contact, that's where your lights are failing. That's where it comes from. So, since I conveniently already have this switch, I'm going to pull the old one out, take a peek at it, and see what's going on. All right, I'm underneath the dash, trying to get this headlight switch out. So, see that little spring button right there? You need to press that to pull the rod out. This is pretty much impossible for me to show, but basically, you got to press that all the way in, and then the rod should wiggle itself out. Just like that. So, get the rod out, and there's a nut on the front to take off. So this is where you pull out your biggest screwdriver. That's nice and crusty in there for me. That's beautiful. Anyways, you can't really see it because it's so rusty. But you got detent on both sides, and that's just, you just find yourself a massive screwdriver and unscrew it. So unfortunately, I don't have a screwdriver that big, but I have 2 screwdrivers. And if you can imagine putting them both in there, and of course I put them the wrong way. This isn't exactly a one-handed operation. You can start it. Seems like it's coming. Oh, that's bezel stopped spinning. But anyways, I'm using 2 screwdrivers, unscrewing the nut. It's coming. It'll just take me a bit, but once that's off, then my whole switch, you can see it's loose now. So then the whole thing will come out. All right, grabbed her out. And see, there it is. More of a screw than a nut, but it's hollow, so it's a nut and a screw. Anyways, here's my switch. I'm hoping this is the reason that my lights aren't working, but I still see, it looks like, forget all the dust and dirt, it looks like that should have good contact there. Then when I spin this all the way and click it there, sure looks like it has contact. Let's see. Some kind of a bad connection. So yeah, it should be really easy. So maybe it's just all my crusty rust in there that's causing the problem. So maybe I'll try a new one and see what happens. Just want to show, if you're crafty enough, you can do this with 1 screwdriver. Maybe I can show it. It's not exactly the easiest job. Maybe not the right tool for the job, but it works. Call that nice and tight. Yep. All right, now I'll try plugging it in, put my rod in, and see what happens. Plugged her in and my lights are on already. You can see them. Brights. And this rod, you just gotta fit in there. It's a triangle, so you just gotta fit it in. Now here's the moment of truth. Oh my goodness. Look how bright that sucker is. Oh, and that one works too? Goodness gracious. That's a beauty. Well, now I'll continue back on the original task of fixing my lights. Now I got the light in. Try to gently pop this in. Oh, I got rotated. Well, it's staying, so wait till it falls out and try again. Yeah, so just so you know, you gotta get it lined up right for it to fit real good and click, but It does stay in case if you get it wrong. So. Not even close. That one clicked. In case you're wondering, I got this probably from O'Reilly's because it's Master Pro. Here's the part number on the headlight switch, 2-Headlight S6. Now this is satisfying. Got a light there. I know that one's broken. That one works. That one works. The whole car's lit up. Dash lights seem to work. It's tough to tell. They're pretty dim. But the headlights work. I'm calling that a win right there. Yeah, so it turns out I got to work just by replacing the headlight switch. So sometimes that works, sometimes not. I probably could have got that old headlight switch to come around, but since I conveniently had this one on hand, and I know they're cheap, only like 20 bucks maybe, I threw it in again because I had it on hand, and it works. So easy way to, it's not that tough to change your headlight switch, so you can go ahead and do that. Got these lights working, so that's pretty exciting and satisfying. So yeah, see you next time.